What's up, guys? I'm back. I know that I haven't recorded anything or done any videos in like a week or two. And I've been busy doing some things on the personal side. Again, I'm going to see if I maybe make a video or two about that, see if you guys want to see that. So today, what we're actually going to go ahead and do is we're going to install the XK Glow, Underglows actually. It's their standard kit. So you can see here, their standard kit. It comes with the LED tubes and smart controller and all that good stuff. So we'll take it out, lay it out exactly how we want to do it, and we'll do it from there. Before we do that though, I want to go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So we did reach over 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and do the giveaway with SoCal Garage Works. And all right, so third time's the charm. So we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway, the one with SoCal Garage Works. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to make a separate video recording how I do it. But essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the list of subscribers, put it into a generator, and then from there just select a random one. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I'll make sure to post that one up on the 19th. So I'm going to make sure that we do that for September 19th. So if you still haven't subscribed, but you still want to get into that, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button because you'll be entered into the giveaway. And we'll do another one at 2,000. So let's go ahead and get that done. So for now, let's go ahead and start the underglows. All right, so this is the kit that we're going to be putting on. XK Glow. This is the standard kit. They have a mini, they have this one, which is the standard, and then they have other options, ones that include the interior lighting and also wheel well lighting. I didn't go that crazy yet, so that's where we're gonna put this one. We're gonna put the standard one on. Let me know, is this rice or nice, like Drew Peacock says? Maybe I should send it off to him after I do this, see what he says. So it has quite a few of the LED strings. So it's 8 of them. So you have 4, so 2 and 2, and 2 and 2. So you have 2 for each side, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. These are the connectors that connect them between the sides. Like for example, if you went from one of the sides to the front or from the front to the back. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is your controller. Show you how this works. It's actually pretty cool. You got all the hardware. And we have our power here. So what I'm going to do first is actually mock it up outside of the car. See how I like it, and as long as it all works good, then we'll get started. All right, so what I'm doing is kind of mocking it up. So putting 2 of them together, so that'll be for one side. I'm gonna put the other 2 together, so you'll see that they actually have, let's see if I can zoom in here. It has a female end, and then you also have a male end. So you'll plug both of those together. And you should be good to go. So I got those for the sides. And then these are going to be more individual for the front. But I'll show you guys how I do that. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of lay it all out and then go from there. Alright, so this is kind of how I laid it out. I got 2 on the side. And you got the connector wire. I'm actually only going to need 1 in the rear. Another connector wire, 2 on this side, and then we go to 1 in the front. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna run the wiring and all that, but just to mock it up to make sure that it all worked together. Then you have that connector wire that comes over to one of these. So you have two. So you have zone 1 and zone 2. And then from there, you have your power that goes to the 12 volt. Then you have your power button. So let's go ahead and try it on. All right, that's on. That's on. This side is on. And this side is on. So that means that we're good to go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of figure out how I want to get it set up and show you how I'm doing it and go from there. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna run the positive and the negative up the same way that I ran the cable for the JB4. So let me go get a flashlight and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys. If you see up there, that is actually the grommet, and that's the cable for the hood popper. And also I have my cable for the JB4. So that's where I'm gonna run it. I don't want to run it through the main grommet here. I'm gonna run it right out of that side one. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, so once it goes through the firewall, it actually ends up right over there. You can see the positive terminal there. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and get taken care of right now. Pull it out. All right, so went ahead and ran the wiring through here, and now that'll be connected to the battery, 12 volt, and the controller actually will go inside. So I'm just gonna wire all this up, show you how we did it. So that way the video is not too long. Henry is here to help me out, so we'll get that taken care of, and that way you guys can see what it'll look like. All right, so far we've gotten the front here just double-sided taped, ran the wiring up this area. There's the fender well. Same thing on the passenger side, and we're moving right along actually. So now we're on the side skirt, do the back, show you what that looks like.
A few moments later.
All right, so this is gonna look really, really bad. I'll go ahead and change over later, but it's done. So you can see, got it all taken care of, and all the wires hidden, ran through correctly. I'm actually gonna go ahead and tell you how we ran them through tomorrow. So I'm just showing you that we're pretty much done here. And tomorrow I'm going to go through and let you know how I ran everything. So that way you guys have an idea. So catch you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
What's up, guys? So this is actually 2 days after I did the initial install. So the stuff you just watched, the content you just watched was on Monday. So that was Labor Day, and today is Wednesday. So I'll show you what I actually did and how it's all wired up. So let's take a look. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with pretty much what we did. So on the sides, the LEDs are actually on the actual carbon fiber side skirt. And then for the front, you guys saw that I put it on the under tray that goes right behind this. And then for the rear, I put it right above where this part is. So let me show you. So here for the side skirts, as you can see, you have the LED strip. So this is where it starts. So I went ahead and used the cap that it comes with, and then I have two connected together. The kit does come with little brackets, so I think I might go ahead and put them on. But then, as you can see here, that's where we ran the cable, and we actually ran the cable inside of the fender well, so you don't see it. And then from here, you'll see it actually. So get under here. You see the cabling there, and then I run it up this area, and then it ends up here. And it's actually almost spot on the size of, you know, where it ends up. And then I repeat the process. So then here you'll see that the cabling goes up, and then it ends up right over here and runs the same way. Now here for the front, actually did the exact same thing. Ran over the fender well, and actually behind this is where I just zip tied the cabling. And you'll see here, try to make this easy. Should see. Alright, so for the front, let me go down here and show you guys that there it is. So I actually need to move it. Ooh. I definitely need to move this. I didn't think that this was actually gonna come out where it did. So I'm actually gonna move this, like, these corners back just a little bit, because that's not good that this thing is hanging off like that. It'll fall off soon, so I'll fix this here soon. Actually, should be okay for a little bit. I'll just put some double-sided tape and secure it, but then from there I'll run it up. So ran it up this way, and let me open the hood. So we actually used the same route that we used for the JB4. So ran it through here, cable goes there, and it ends up back through the grommet where the hood popper is. And once it reaches inside, it comes out through here. That's the power button. And then hidden back here is the remote. And that's how I did it. So that's how I went ahead and did the underglows on the car. So I know this might be a little weird. The video might be a little weird, and building a shed back there. So that's how I did it. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let your friends know. Hit that little bell notification so that way you're notified. And again, I'm doing the giveaway on September 19th. So that'll be posted on September 19th. So I'll go ahead and record it. I want to say maybe in the morning. I want to say, you know what, I'll say 10 a.m. So I'll record it at 10 a.m. So cutoff is 10 a.m. And then I'll post it that afternoon. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, in order to get entered into the chance to win the gift certificate from SoCal Garage Works and have opportunity to possibly win something in the future as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. The next one might be a little weird too, but hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Later. So the reason I have my glasses on now is because I almost forgot. This video is completely out of order. So what I ended up doing besides the install is that controller actually allows you to pretty much run the entire setup from your phone. So you can turn it on and you can change the lights, you can have patterns, and pretty much do everything. So this is what mine looks like. And when I turn it on, it defaults to red. My daughter likes it. But this is what it looks like on all sides. And let me show you what it looks like when you change the colors here. So this is actually one of those themes that's like an Easter theme. So as you can see, it actually changes colors, goes through the whole spectrum pretty much. But you can choose specific colors that you want it to be set up for. Of course, they have different themes like Christmas, Halloween. They have Independence Day, even Canada Day for you Canadians out there. So it's pretty cool. And then you have other options. So again, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button on the video as well. That helps me out a lot. So that's what it looks like, and tell me what you guys think. Is it cool? Is it ricey? I like it. I'm gonna see how I can actually make this a little cooler afterwards, but that'll be for another video. All right, guys, see you next time.